Hi, welcome back to Armida's Comidas. Bienvenidos a mi cocina. Welcome to those that are joining me for the first time. Today I have an easy recipe for you. Since it's a hot day today, I thought of making a recipe in the Instapot. This could also be done in the crock pot. So today we will be using the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. Is going to be a pork shoulder blade butt roast. It's a little bit over 4 pounds. I will be using diced fire roasted tomatoes, any kind of brand that you'd like to use. I will be using a chile colorado from Las Palmas. I will be using some comino cumin, oregano, 2 garlic cloves, 2 bay leaves, salt to taste, and half of a small onion. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and start with the sauce that we're gonna pour over the pork. I set the pork aside. We will be getting to it in just a moment. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the onion. I'm gonna cut it in half. And I'll put that in the blender. Go ahead and put in the 2 garlic cloves, the can of the roasted tomatoes, the can of Las Palmas red salsa, chile colorado, and we're going to go ahead and blend it all together. Okay, we're going to go ahead and blend it all together. Make sure it blends very well. Now that I've blended the chile colorado very well, I have set it to the side. I will begin to start cutting the pork. You're going to need a kind of a sharp knife because the meat, well, actually the pork is pretty easy. You can also remove this fat, which I'm going to do too, because I don't want that much fat in my recipe. So I'll remove it, and I did just sharpen my knife so it's easily, I'm able to remove it. Pork does have fat, but I'm trying to keep the biggest part of it away. So that's what I'm going to begin to do. And then I will cut. This pork does have a bone, so you're not to cut around it. And this is about the size that I will be cutting the pieces of pork. Now that I chopped the pork in medium to small pieces, I'm going to go ahead and place it in the pressure cooker. set this aside. I'll go ahead and season the pork with about a teaspoon of salt. I will add a pinch of oregano, or as much as you like, to your liking. I will add some cumin. And I'll go ahead and I will add like a pinch or more, because I like comino. For those that know me, that's one of my favorite seasonings, spices. I will go ahead and add, lastly, I will go ahead and add the chile colorado, the ingredients that I had mixed well and blended well in the blender. Covered very well. I'm going to add a little bit of water in this so I can go ahead and remove the parts of the chile colorado. I've added a little bit of water, so I just want to make sure that I get everything that is in this blender. You may want to add a little bit more salt, it's up to you, or you can add it at the end. Mix it well. I'm going to go ahead and cover it. I've set the pressure cooker for an hour, and we're going to let the pressure cooker do its job, and we'll be back. Okay, it's been an hour now. I'm going to go ahead and remove the lid. Look, it's falling apart. It's perfect. That's what you're looking for. The consistency. Soft. Falling apart. You can make tacos with it. You can make tortas. You can make, my son, he makes some little muletas. So those are things that you can make with this recipe. So this is the end of the recipe. I hope you enjoyed it, you liked it. If you do, please subscribe, comment, and like. Hope to see you in my kitchen again. Thank you for joining me.